Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Gabby D, and in today's video, as you can tell by the title, we're doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. I also have some exciting news that I will be sharing, and I wanted to do a simple makeup tutorial, and I know that this doesn't look simple, but I swear it's 3 colors on my eyes. It is really simple, sharing some new products with you. Also, I love Valentine's Day. It's the day of love. Even if you're single, love on yourself, have a Valentine's Day. Everything that just brings you happiness and love and kisses. So also, this is a kiss-proof makeup tutorial. Totally. This is the look that we are going for here. This is my favorite lipstick. I'll be sharing that in the tutorial. So if you're interested in how I got this Valentine's Day makeup look, then just go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I already put the base on my face because because that doesn't change. So I'm just gonna jump right in and start with my eyes. So we're going for like something that is easy but also really pretty, and something that you can go out in, but if you're in and spending the night in on Valentine's Day, then this is just something that's like just a little extra glamorous. Me and my husband are spending the night in. Spoiler alert, we did have our baby 3 weeks ago. Really excited to share that with you guys. I will have a video all about that, but I just haven't gotten a chance to. Life's been kind of crazy the past few weeks, totally changed. I am a new mom. I'm loving every minute of it, but it's a lot of work and it's hard to have free time to make YouTube videos, so that's why I haven't really had any videos come out the past few weeks, but I wanted to get this out. I normally always do some kind of Valentine's Day makeup look, so I wanted to do just something simple and quick for you guys, but it is something really beautiful that you can definitely wear out if you're going out also, but for me, I'm staying in. But anyway, let's get started. So I am going to start just in the crease with a big fluffy brush here, and I'm using this Tarteist Pro palette from Tarte, and I'm just going to use like a light brown neutral. I feel like I look like a ghost, but don't mind me. I actually am trying a new foundation, which is a little light, but it'll all come together. So I'm just going to use a light color and just put that into my crease, and then I'm gonna go a little bit higher from my crease because I do have some hooded eyes, and you want to do that to keep your eyes nice and bright and open. So again, I'm just doing that in my crease, but I'm kind of focusing it a little bit higher. I didn't want to like give you this specific color, because any kind of neutral, light brown, light to medium brown shade is going to work. There is one of those in almost every palette, but just try and find something similar to that, and you just want to blend that out really nicely so it's nice and soft. I feel like I have not done a makeup video in a really long time. I'm just realizing that. Alright, so you just want to look at it really good. Make sure there is no harsh lines anywhere. If you need to go in with an even fluffier brush, which we will use again in a little bit, then do that also, just to make sure you are blended really good. So just that just gives some definition to the eye and just starts to make that pop. Alright, so now what we're going to do is like a false wing liner is what I like to call it, because we're just going to use shadow. instead of doing actual liner. This is a lot easier. It doesn't take as much time. It's also, if you're not very comfortable with doing a wing liner, using any kind of like liquid liner for that, then this is a good way to practice and to start or still achieve that look. But it's a little bit more like sultry because you have that like smokiness to it. You'll see. So you want to take a dark brown. I wouldn't use black with this. You can if you want, but at least start with the dark brown. And I am using a skinny angled brush like this. And you really want to like pack that color on there, but tap it out just to make sure there's not a lot of fallout. So you're basically going to do the same thing as you would with, as you like, if you were doing, goodness, I haven't done a video in a long time, and I don't even know how to talk anymore, to be honest. Bear with me. This is new mom exhaustion right here. Anyway, so we're going to go in. And we're just going to do so basically the same again as a wing liner. It's much easier with this brush because it basically makes the wing without really even having to do much. But just keep going just until you feel like you've achieved a good pigment, and then you're gonna go just until the line is straight. So what I mean by that is your eyes are closed from there to like the middle of your lid. And then you want to like fade the wing part out a little bit so it's not super harsh, because again, we're not going for that like cat eye wing look. We're going more of like that smoky wing. Also, I should mention, it doesn't have to be perfect because we're not keeping it exactly like this. We're going to be blending it out, so don't really stress about it being perfect or completely even, because we're going to be blending another color over it. Okay, good. So yeah, it's not perfect. That's okay, because we're going to be going in now with a little bit more of a fluffier brush, but still a little tapered, and then we're gonna go with like a medium brown. So this was like a light to medium, this was a dark, and now we're gonna go with a medium and almost kind of connect them, but we're gonna like smoke this line out. So we're gonna take that medium shade and kind of go above or on the top of that wing line and just smoky blend that out. I just kind of go back and forth till I achieve basically what I'm looking for, but you just want, again, you're looking for no harsh lines, but then we're going to go back in with that first fluffy brush and then blend it all out. So then we really make sure there's no harsh lines. Okay, so that's basically it. I like to go in and highlight the inner corner, so I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna actually use what I'm gonna use for my highlighter. This is a really good way to make sure your whole face is cohesive and it all like blends really well together. So I'm gonna go pop that in. I'm not just gonna do the inner corner, I'm kind of gonna like blend it into the rest of the eye a little bit. But this look is good for any time, obviously. You know, it's not just a Valentine's Day look. Just an idea, something that is easy and pretty and glamorous and a little sexy. So now I'm gonna go in and finish the rest of my face, and I'll be right back to explain everything that I did. Hi, so just kidding. I wanted to show you guys this new mascara that I got in my Boxy Charm. It is, I couldn't even tell you how to say that, Très Sticky. That's embarrassing. Packaging looks like that. It came with a mascara and an eyeliner. I'm not going to use, actually maybe I will put liner on the bottom, just to try it out. So this is what it looks like. It's super fat, and it actually comes with an eyelash curler. So it's like a half curler, and you flip this down, and that's so cool. So I'm going to try that. I've never actually used a half curl before. All right. Ow. No, okay, this is a little weird. Oh, no, I liked it. I like it. Yeah, I don't feel like it gave like the best curl ever, but cool. Now let's try the mascara. So just first impressions, I really like this. Mainly the first thing I'm seeing is that it separates my lashes pretty well. I feel like I always have a hard time with my lashes clumping together, especially over here in the corners, and it does not do that, so I like it. This is just one coat and it already looks pretty good. So second coat, and I'm really liking it. I definitely think that it keeps my eyelashes separated, and it didn't dry out before I could put on the second coat. So yeah, I really like it. And you know what? I think I am going to try this liner, and I'm going to do the bottom just to like smoke it out a little bit more. I feel like it needs a little something something, but I'm only going to do it maybe halfway, then blend it. So just take any like pencil liner, and on the waterline, ooh, that glides on there really nice. Do like halfway. But the important thing about doing halfway is you don't want to like harsh stop. You kind of want to like blend it, like fade it out, as weird as that sounds, because that seems like it's hard to do, but just kind of like do swiping motions so it's not like this harsh stop. And then I'm going to go in and take that same angled brush, and with that medium color, just gonna smoke out the edges. Yeah, I like that a lot better. And I'm really mad at myself because I was gonna use these new brushes that I got in my Boxy Charm because they are super cute and Valentine's-y, but I will just show them to you. I didn't even have an angle brush I could have used. But this is what they look like. It is like this super cute Valentine's, and the hearts move. So cute. Has the pink tips. There we go. And it comes with 4 of them. And they all look like that. Ugh, super cute. This is the Glam. Comes in this also super cute little packaging, or this little case. This would be a really cute like Valentines gift for a girlfriend or a sister. So fun. I would probably just be distracted doing my makeup. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and finish the rest of my face. Except for my lips, I'll be back for that. So, for Valentine's Day, you might be looking for something kiss-proof. Or food, wine, coffee proof. I don't know. But all-time favorite, I've said this a million times on my channel. I have tried other things. I just can't get away from it. It is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. They have this one, which I love, and then they also have the like tube that has the gloss on the end, which is great too. If I'm wanting to be kiss-proof for my hubby, I'm gonna go with this. So this is like a nice pink, but you can go with whatever you want. A classic red, pink, just like a nice gloss. But I think anywhere in the pink to red is just like, I mean, it's Valentine's Day. That's what it is. Pinks and reds. But you do whatever you want. So this is transfer proof, kiss proof, whatever, but you want to make sure you let it dry first. It's not talking weird, or it will get on your teeth. But as long as you let it dry first, it won't get on your teeth after that. Alright, I'm gonna let this dry and go do my hair, and I'll be right back with the finished look. And here is the finished look. I really like how the eyes came out. Again, it wasn't hard. 3 easy neutral brown colors, and just a really overall glowy look. I did want to say I sprayed this iconic London Prep Set and Glow spray that I'm almost out of, but it's this really shimmery, luminous spray. It's not over the top, but it definitely just leaves your face with a beautiful shine. And I just curled my hair, popped on a cute headband, and we are ready for Valentine's Day. Hope you guys like this look. Let me know, please, if you have any questions down below in the comments. Make sure you like this video. If you're not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button down below and stick around for more videos like this. And I'm going to be sharing a video about my birthing experience and labor and delivery, and videos with my baby, and fun mom stuff, and quick mom makeup tutorials and tips and tricks and all that fun stuff. So make sure you stick around. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Happy Valentine's Day!